So we are now topic 3. So same, explain. It's all about this. So explain the difference between raster chart and vector chart, and and the difference between the information layers and user layers and event graphics. So raster chart are a pixel-based image of traditional paper chart. Picture all charts datas, but lacking scalability and interactive features. It is uh, vector charts use mathematical equations represent chart data, allowing for the dynamic scaling and interactive features and the ability to display multiple layers and information layers. And vector charts uh, include essentials navigational data such as deep uh, navigational aids and hazards with a turn on off and based on the user's need. User chart allows the mariners to add personalized data such as routes and waypoints, enhancing the chart uh, avail- uh, for a specific voyage. Event graphics are temporary overlaid that can be displayed real-time informations like traffic, weather conditions, adding an immediate decision making and structural awareness. So, what is the difference between vector chart and raster chart? When we say raster chart, is it image of the old traditional paper chart? So, when we say we capture a paper chart or we picture a paper chart in put it on the it disk or the electronic on the it disk. Uh, it is called raster chart. It is a chart, paper chart that is been displayed on it. This, on the other hand, when we say vector chart, it is like a Google map, but the difference is it gives us information about the waterways that we are going to navigate. Also, when in vector chart, we can delete some navigational information that are not necessary for us to have a comprehensive examination of our surrounding for a safe voyage. And about and graphic display, they're almost the same because it is standardized. Um, the only difference between the difference between vector and raster is a picture of traditional paper chart. You can add, delete, and other information. If what you can see on the paper chart, that is also the same with raster chart, but raster chart is displayed in it. This in vector chart also is a digital. You can scale it, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, and you have the real time um, updates on the vector chart.